How to join a Slack channel. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to join a channel on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to join a Slack channel, tap on to add channel right here. Select it. Now here you can find the browse channels. Select it. Simply tap onto the search bar and search for the channel that you would like to join. Just like this. And tap onto that channel. And you can simply join it. And that's it. This is how you can join a Slack channel. It is a very easy process, right? Now do the same process to join other channels as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.